Hello friends. It's great to see you here again. This financial series has presented an instructive and useful series on the topic of how to pick the right health insurance plan. There are several aspects of health insurance plan, and we will attempt to cover them all here. How to pick the right health insurance plan. The greatest health insurance plan for your family is usually only available for a limited period of time. However, making a hasty decision and selecting the wrong coverage can be quite costly. Health insurance policies are readily available on the market in a variety of forms. To be able to enjoy coverage without having to worry about anything, you must pick the policy that best meets your specific requirements. When selecting a health insurance coverage, there are several key aspects to consider. Here are a few examples. 1. Select a health insurance marketplace. If your employer offers health insurance, the majority of people who have health insurance do so through their employment. It is unlikely that you will need to use the government insurance exchanges or marketplaces if your job provides health insurance, unless you wish to hunt for a more affordable alternative plan. Those purchased in the marketplace, on the other hand, are likely to be more expensive than plans provided through employers. This is due to the fact that most firms cover a percentage of their employees' insurance payments. If your employer does not provide health insurance, find the best health insurance plan for you by looking through your state's online marketplace, if one exists, or the federal marketplace. Purchasing health insurance through a private exchange or directly from an insurer are other options available. If you choose one of these alternatives, you will not be eligible for premium tax credits, which are savings on your monthly premiums based on your household income. 2. Verify the amount of insurance coverage. Many insurance companies impose a limit on the amount of money you can insure for the maximum amount of money. If you want to be insured for a large sum of money, you must select a health insurance policy that provides you with the coverage you require. A reasonable rule of thumb is to have insurance coverage equal to at least 6 times your annual pay. You should also look for additional advantages. If you intend to start a family within the next several years, make certain that your maternity expenses are covered. Of course, you'll want to double-check the waiting time, because maternity benefits are susceptible to significantly longer waiting periods than other benefits. 3. Scout the network hospitals. It is possible that various insurance companies have different hospitals in their network. Choose an insurance that allows you to make cashless claims at all of the best hospitals in your city if possible. You should also double-check that the hospital of your choice is included on the list. This will make the entire process of obtaining the service you choose much simpler and less stressful. 4. Keep an eye out for further benefits. Due to the fact that the insurance market is fairly competitive, different policies provide a variety of advantages. No-claim bonuses and the restoration of your insured money are two of the most common types of insurance benefits. It is always a good idea to double-check whether the insurance policy you choose will cover these benefits. Always hunt for insurance products that provide you with extra perks. 5. Compare out-of-pocket costs. Another important factor to consider is out-of-pocket expenses. The summary of benefits for a plan should make it crystal apparent how much you'll be required to spend out of pocket for treatments. Many state marketplaces, as well as the federal online marketplace, provide snapshots of these expenses for the purpose of comparison. Understand the terms of your health insurance policy. It is beneficial to be familiar with the definitions of various major health insurance words, such as 5.1. Copay. The cost of a healthcare service or operation is a one-time price that you must pay each time you receive care. 5.2. Coinsurance. This is the portion of a medical bill that you are responsible for. The remainder is covered by your health insurance policy. 5.3. Deductible. This is the amount you must spend out of pocket for covered medical services before your insurance begins to reimburse you. 5.4 Maximum amount of money that can be spent out of pocket. This is the maximum amount of money you will have to pay out of your own pocket for covered healthcare in a calendar year. Once you've reached the maximum amount, your insurance will cover the balance. 5.5. Out-of-pocket costs. Copays, coinsurance, and deductibles are all additional fees that must be paid on top of the plan's premium that you must bear. 5.6. Premium. This is the amount you pay each month to maintain your health insurance coverage. 6. Review the exclusions and other clauses in the contract. Every insurance policy has its own set of exclusions, which are medical procedures and situations that are not covered by the policy. Before you purchase a plan, double-check to see what is and isn't included by the policy. Check to see whether there is a copay provision, how much you will be required to copay, and what the waiting periods are before proceeding. Waiting periods that are shorter and voluntary copays are desirable. Finally, in this whole financial series, we discussed about how to pick the right health insurance plan, select a health insurance marketplace, verify the amount of insurance coverage, scout the network hospitals, keep an eye out for further benefits, compare out-of-pocket costs, review the exclusions and other clauses in the contract and much more. Hope you understand and found this financial series more instructive and useful. Thanks for joining us, hope you have a beautiful day.